Hello friend, my name is S.N. Patil. In this video lecture, we discuss the problem of group theory. The problem is show that the group G is given, that is R minus 1. 1 is not there in that set, is an abelian group under the binary operation A star B is equal to A plus B minus their product, that is A into B for all AB in G. Okay, so first we show the G is a group, and after that we show A star B. A star B is same as B star A. Okay, if both are the equal, then G is abelian. Okay, now start solution. Let G is equal to R minus 1. Now the first property is closure property. Closure property. Now take the two element A comma B in a G. Okay, if A and B belongs to the G, definitely A and B both not equal to 1. Okay, here the clearly mentioned G is R minus 1. Then A star B is equal to A plus B minus AB. Okay, if A is not 1, B is not 1, then definitely this resultant A plus B minus AB is not equal to 1. Okay, if not equal to 1, then clearly A star B belongs to the G. That is the closeness property satisfied. We also verify this result by contrary also. We assuming A plus B minus AB is equal to 1 and simplify, definitely you will get the contradiction. Okay, now the second is associativity. Associativity property. Let ABC belongs to G. It means A is not is equal to 1, B is not is equal to 1, and C is not is equal to 1. Okay, so here in associativity property, we show A star B in A star in bracket B star C is same as A star B star C. Okay, first we simplify the left hand side, then right hand side. Okay, now LHS is equal to A star B star in bracket B star C. Now the definition is B star C means what? First their addition minus their product. Okay, is equal to, apply again definition with A star B means what? Their addition, A plus addition minus this addition minus their product, A into B plus C minus BC. Simplify, that is A plus B plus C, okay, minus BC minus AB minus AC minus AC. Minus is multiplied here, minus plus ABC. Okay, say question number 1. Now RHS, that is in bracket A star B star C is equal to A star B means what? First addition, after that their minus their product, star C, okay, is equal to, now apply again A star B property, that is addition A plus B minus AB. See, this is the addition minus their product, A plus B minus AB into C. Now, A plus B plus C, this C minus AB. Now C and this minus sign multiplied to the bracket minus AC minus BC and minus plus and C is multiplied ABC. Now from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Associativity property is satisfied. Now the next is existence of identity. Existence of identity. Let identity element E belongs to the G. Okay, and E is not is equal to 1. Now, by definition of identity, so here A belongs to G, that is A star E is equal to A. Otherwise, E star A is equal to A. So we consider A star E is equal to A. Now here left hand side apply the definition. First is addition, A plus E minus their product A into E is equal to A. Now here A star E is equal to A. The first is their addition, A plus E, here E. A plus E. Now here A cancel. Okay. Now the remaining term is here E minus A, in which E is common. 1 minus A is equal to 0. So there are two terms whose product is 0. E is equal to 0 or 1 minus A is equal to 0. E is equal to 0 or A is equal to 1. This is not possible. Okay, A belongs to G. If A belongs to G and G is what? In G, 1 is not there. Here A is not is equal to 1. Okay, so which is not possible. Which is not possible. That is, the identity is 0. Now the last is existence of inverse. Of inverse. Inverse. Let A belongs to G. That is, A is not is equal to 1. A belongs to G and B is a inverse of A. Inverse of A. By definition, A star B is equal to identity, and we have find the identity here. So here A star B means what? Their addition, A plus B minus AB, and identity is 0. Okay, now it can be written as here in second and third term B is common, and we put A in a right hand side because here we find the B is equal to 1. Okay, so from the B term put in right hand side. Now here in second and third B is common, that is 1 minus A is equal to minus A. Okay, now the 1 minus A is divide, that is a B is equal to minus A 1 minus A. Okay, it can be written as B is equal to if you take the minus sign common in denominator, then minus A minus 1, that is B is equal to A upon A minus 1. Okay, and here this is the inverse, and also it should be a not a 1. Okay, because B is a inverse of A, and which It is a belongs to the G. That's why B is not is equal to 1. Okay. All the 4 properties satisfied of the group. Therefore, G star is a group. G star a group. Now next is abelian. Let A comma B belongs to G. A star B is equal to A plus B minus A. Now it can be written as C. A plus B, this is the addition. Addition is commutative. So it can be written as B plus A also minus. Multiplication is commutative. A into B is same as B into A. B into A. And this is resultant of B star A. Okay. So here we get A star B is same as B star A for all AB belongs to G. Okay. The group G star is an abelian group. Abelian. Okay. Thank you.